Wat is dat? Chicken? Dutch chicken? Het kip? De kip? Het Hollandse kip. It's the extrahotchicken kip.
Who the fuck is Christopher Columbus? If he would've came to my block, talking about
It's
he
him,
discovered my
dude.
track, his ass would've probably got shot.
It's him. I'm telling you.
Explain to me why the fuck Benjamin Franklin stood his ass up on the roof.
That's him, dude.
I ain't never think Gucci was a clone.
What up, boy? Hallo. Goedendag. Hoe gaat het? Ja. Hallo. Do you deny the allegations?
They said the world was ending 2012. I was selling crack in 2012.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I was in jail reading books. OG teach me about real estate. Every landlord I know a crackhead.
Spreek u Engels? Meneer, kip. Mijn naam is ook extrahotchicken. Wat is jouw naam?
Shit, the government wrote the Bible. They knew who was gonna win American Idol. I never liked Simon off American Idol. I ain't really like how he talked to black people. How the fuck Flavor Flav still alive?
What is your name, chicken?
They pulled me over like, what's your name? Bitch, I forgot my social security number. They asked about my mother maiden name. I'm like, I don't know, we don't know each other.
Are you de grote kip? De hete kip?
Talking about pray before you eat. Bitch, you eating a dead animal. Bitch, you barely got that.
Doei, tot ziens. Sayonara. Dag. Morgen. All the above. Oh shit, don't fall.